Good day everyone, welcome to Naz Villa. Today we will do the question answer solution of our supplementary reading, The Third Level by Jack Finney, and discuss everything about it, and hopefully we'll complete the lesson without any single doubt. क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व करने से पहले स्टोरी पता होनी चाहिए. अगर वीडियो देख लिया है तो ठीक है, अगर याद नहीं है या रह गया है देखना तो पहले देख लो and then you read the question answers. Most of the questions that you will see are referred to as what do you think, what information do you get, what does the modern world say, what do you have to say, what do you see. So you can see majority of the questions include your thoughts because it is a supplementary reading, so it is very important to give your thoughts about the concept. So before going to the solution of question answers, let us discuss a little something. अगर तुम इस लेसन का सोल्यूशन देखोगे कहीं पर भी क्लियरली हर जगह यही लिखा होगा that no, the third level is not real, the third level is an imagination. तो ऐसा क्यों है? That first of all the story in this lesson is based on fantasy. या तो ये रियल हो सकती है या तो इमेजिनेशन हो सकता है, और टाइम ट्रैवल का प्रेजेंट लाइफ में कोई प्रूफ नहीं है दैट इट इज़ रियल और नॉट. तो हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम कभी भी कोई ऐसी चीज़ को एंकरेज नहीं करेगा जो अब तक प्रूफ ही नहीं हुआ है. तो कहीं भी आंसर में ये तो नहीं लिखा होगा कि हाँ थर्ड लेवल एग्जिस्ट करता है. ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज वी डोंट नो द टाइम ट्रैवल इज़ रियल और नॉट. इसीलिए हर जगह पे यही आंसर दिया गया है दैट एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट एन इमेजिनेशन ऑफ चार्ली. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डू यू थिंक दैट द थर्ड लेवल was a medium of escape for Charlie? Why? So first you will write down the name of the lesson, the writer, then a bit of intro of 1-2 line. Now here the question is asked to us that do you think it was? So yes, there is a possibility, because when you will see on the first page you can clearly see his psychiatrist friend says that modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry and all the rest of it. All people want to do is to escape from it, and therefore Charlie also want to escape from all these things. This third level was a waking dream wish fulfillment. एक ड्रीम एक विश की तरह है, एक फैंटेसी जैसे हम कहते हैं. एंड thus his escape is the third level which was at the Grand Central Station in New York. ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन ज़रूर देनी है तुम्हें. तो ये थर्ड लेवल एक ऐसी जगह हो सकती है जहाँ पे वो रियलिटी को भूल कर वो एक फैंटेसी लाइफ में चला जाता है. सो इट कैन बी पॉसिबल. द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू इन्फर फ्रॉम सैम्स लेटर टू चार्ली? Info means here we have to give the information about Sam's letter. पहले हम लिखेंगे कि Sam कौन था. He was a psychiatrist. He was a city boy who disappeared. And later one night, Charlie found a letter from his Sam collection. Was mailed to his grandfather in the year July 18, 1894. वो लेटर जो है सैम ने चार्ली के लिए लिखा था. And he said that he is in the third level. He is there for 2 weeks. There is a piano playing. People are singing Seeing Nellie Home, and he is also telling them that keep looking for it and you also come to the third level. It is very nice. Believe me, it is very nice. And he later Charlie also comes to know that he has brought $800 worth of old style currency, and it is possible that he is running a grain business in the 1894. So this is what we get from the letter. So यहाँ पे बस हमें लेटर की इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी, फियर, वॉर, वरी एंड स्ट्रेस. What are the ways to overcome them? So here you will start by saying that this line is taken from the lesson The Third Level, written by Jack Finney, and then always write answers बेस्ड ऑन द कंटेंट ऑफ द लेसन. हमेशा लेसन में जो कंटेंट दिया है उसी बेस पर आंसर्स लिखा करो. तो थोड़ा एग्जाम्पल दे दो चार्ली का कि कैसे चार्ली जो है अपनी लाइफ से ये जो फियर, वॉर, वरी, स्ट्रेस जो है उनसे एस्केप करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. चार्ली ऑल्सो सेज दैट हिज स्टैम्प कलेक्शन इज अ टेम्पररी रेफ्यूज फ्रॉम रियलिटी. जो भी टेंशन है उसे भूल कर अपनी दुनिया में खो जाना. एंड हाउ ही रिचेस टू थर्ड लेवल, and he thinks that he has traveled through time. Here you can also write down some of the ways from which you can reduce your worry and stress, like you can do exercise, you can go on tours and trips, you can spend time with your family, you can read books, you can watch many movies, you can listen to different music. Okay, This way you will find a lot of things that you can recommend in this answer. Fourth question, do you see an intersection of time and space in the story? Of course. According to the story, we see the intersection of time and space 2 times. First is when Charlie reaches to the 3rd level. जब वो स्टेशन चलते हुए लेट हो जाता है ऑफिस जाने के लिए और 3rd लेवल पर पहुंच जाता है और वहाँ पे he says that he has traveled through time. And the second time we can see this is when Charlie receives a letter from Sam. जब चार्ली को सैम से लेटर मिलता है जिसमें उसने लिखा है दैट ही हैज़ ट्रेवल्ड थ्रू टाइम एंड राइट नाउ ही इज़ इन 1894. इट्स बीन 2 weeks and he is staying there. So these are the 2 incidents you can mention here in the answer. इसे भी बिल्कुल आंसर के फॉर्मेट में ही लिखना. The fifth one, apparent illogicality sometimes turn out to be a futuristic projection. Discuss. Now here this is a tricky question, but this question is also डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू योर लेसन ओनली. यहाँ पे लिखा क्या है कि कभी कभी जो इलॉजिकल चीज़ें होती हैं ना फ्यूचर में जाके वो सच हो जाती हैं. जैसे आज हम बोल रहे हैं दैट टाइम ट्रेवल इज सो इलॉजिकल, इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल टू हैपन. और बट हो सकता है कि फ्यूचर में जाके ये सारी चीज़ें पॉसिबल हो जाएं. ये जो स्टेशंस हैं वैसे ही एक कुछ स्टेशंस बने होंगे जहाँ पे जाकर हम टाइम से ट्रेवल करके पास्ट में पहुँच सकते हैं. यहाँ we can travel wherever we want to in time and space. So this is what is written here, that illogicality sometimes turn out to be a futuristic projection. Okay, कि future में जाके ये चीजें reality बन जाएं. Okay, now the sixth one, so lovely helps keep the past alive. Discuss other ways in which this is done. What do you think of the human tendency to constantly move between the past, the present and the future? Now this is also another tricky question that is directly related to your lesson. Philavely means some people have the habits of collecting stems. जैसे इस lesson में भी बताया गया है, they used to collect first day covers, means they used to take a blank paper, they used to mail that to their own address, and this is how they used to collect the stems, and these stems were the collection of many years. वैसे ही बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनकी बहुत आदत होती है कि पास्ट की चीज़ें कलेक्ट करना. जैसे मैं एग्जांपल दूँ तो लोग पुराने कॉइन्स कलेक्ट करना, एंटीक चीज़ें होती हैं पुराने ज़माने की, उन चीज़ों को कलेक्ट करना. कुछ यू कैन डिस्कस इन दिस आंसर एंड देन रिलेटेड टू द लेसन दैट चार्ली ऑल्सो हैज़ अ हैबिट ऑफ डूइंग दैट. सो दिस इज़ हाउ ह्यूमन इज़. सब कुछ बीत चुका है, पास्ट है, उसके बाद भी दे स्टे रिलेटेड टू इट. So that's why humans have the tendency to constantly move between past, present and future. Now the 7th question, finally this is the question that is a little bit off from all the questions, that it has asked us to describe a lesson which was in 11th standard. यानी 11th standard का lesson हमें describe करने बोला है. There is a very less possibility that this will be asked in your examination, but if it is asked, अगर by mistake किसी ने पूछ लिया, so you know what you have to do. You have to write the name of the lesson and the writer, and you have to give a little bit description of the lesson and adventure lesson that you have studied. जो तुम्हें याद होगा that Professor Gaitonde, he also had an accident and he also traveled into a parallel world. And that he saw the things were totally different from the real world. Okay, so these 2 stories you can mention and you can compare them and write the answer. Okay, and give your thoughts about it. From question number 1 to question number 6 you have to write down in your notebook. Don't write the question number 7, but keep it prepared for your examination. Supplementary reading के questions भी lesson की तरह 3 marks के ही आएंगे. And that's it for today. I hope you liked the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and stay updated to all the videos that I will be uploading.